People versus Alyssa Hall. Ms. Hall, can you say your name for me, please?
Alyssa Hall.
Did you go through your advice of rights with your attorney, Ms. Hall?
I did.
For purposes of arraignment, I'll enter not guilty plea. Ms. Hall, you're gonna have some bond conditions. You have a $1,000 personal bond. You're to appear in court as directed. You're not to leave the state without permission of the court. You're not to commit any crimes while released. Give me just 1 second.
I do have a question on that. My bond was returned to me.
You don't have to post any money.
Well, I know that, but I thought all bond conditions were done because the bond was returned.
Well, Ms. Hall, we're doing the arraignment now, which is we hadn't done before. So she's going to give you the bond conditions, but the bond, the monetary bond is personal, means you don't have to post any money.
But you still have to adhere to the bond conditions I just stated. Do you understand? Yes or no? Do you understand, or do you need me to go through them again?
I suppose.
It's a yes or no question, Ms. Hall.
I don't understand how there is still bond conditions when my bond was returned, but that's apparently something else according to my lawyer. So it is what it is.
No, I'd be happy to explain it to you. So you're on bond. So whenever you have a pending case, you are out on bond.
So this is a new case then off of that original case, because I originally got that bond back and told that nothing further was going to happen. And then all of a sudden I was told I missed a court. So I'm still confused. Is this not the same case?
Okay. So we're going to do a full arraignment. Okay, Mr. Panto?
I'm just confused.
I understand. I'm going to go through it with you because that's part of the arraignment is to understand what you're being charged with.
I'm being charged for disorderly conduct at my brother's house. I understand that. The day my bond was returned, and they sent a letter stating nothing is going to happen at this time.
So they reissued the charge, and I'm reassessing a bond, which means you have bond conditions because technically you're out on bond. I'm assessing you a $1,000 personal bond, which comes with bond conditions. So I see where you would get confused if the one before got returned to you, but we're back at it. They reissued this case.
I just don't even understand how they reissued the case because it was my brother kidnapped my kids, but it is what it is. I have my own issues with Taylor Police Department and everything else right now that I'm going through. So
okay, well you're the one that has the case, so you're the one that has the bond conditions in the jurisdiction of this court, Ms. Hall. Do you understand your bond conditions? Yes or no?
Yep. I know that my lawyer requested discovery.
I'm not talking to you. There's no question. So give me 1 second. I'm looking the report over.
Ryan Lupica is
is there a place?
There's an address.
That's what I'm looking for.
It's Ryan
It's
Lupica.
on Marvin Street in Taylor.
Ma'am, give me a second, okay?
And this is why I hate paper.
I did explain to her that the court would require she have no contact with Mr. Lupica or his address.
Yeah, I just need for the bond
I don't talk
conditions.
to my brother.
Ma'am,
Okay,
enough.
don't talk.
Honestly, you're just digging yourself a hole right now, so just stop.
I'm not doing anything.
Ms. Hall, it's easier.
Marvin Street.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you're also to have no contact with Ryan Lupica or 5 Marvin Street. When I say no contact, Ms. Hall, I mean no contact. That means you cannot email him, call him, or text him. That means nobody can do those things on your behalf. I see you're listening, but I don't need the attitude. You cannot send a text message, a tweet, an instant message, or anything of the like. That includes contact on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Cash App, or any form of electronic communication whatsoever. If you have him added on any form of social media, you are to delete him immediately. Sending a blank message is considered to be contact, since I'm instructing you to take specific steps to make sure that does not happen. If the communication comes from you or by the direction of you, it will be considered contact, and it will not be a defense that you accidentally contacted him. If he contacts you, you are not to reply. If he's at a public place, such as a store or a park, and you see him, you are to leave immediately. This is the order of the court. The victim in this case cannot change the order, only a judge can. If he were to invite you over or to ask to meet you anywhere, and you do so, that is a violation of this court's order. If we need to change this order at any point, we will have a hearing with both parties present. Do you understand that?
Yeah, my brother's dead to me. I don't talk to him, so absolutely.
Ms. Hall, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.